Good morning, my all-day class 11th B students. As in the previous video of this chapter, business, international business, we have discussed export trade and procedure of export trade. Now we will discuss import trade. In international trade, import trade means buying goods and services from another country. Countries are most likely to import goods that domestic industries cannot produce or efficiently or cheaply. They may also import raw material or commodities that are not available in the country. For example, developing countries like India import machinery, equipment, material etc. required for economical development. In the same manner, essential commodities are imported to meet shortfall in their domestic output. Okay, so suppose, as we all know that every country doesn't have everything. Okay, every country doesn't have everything. Some countries where petroleum is in excess, they don't have the grain, they don't have the food. And some countries where, like India, we have food, grains are in excess, but we have to buy something from the other countries like petroleum, machineries, defense equipment, because they are not being produced in our country, or there are not natural resources of it in our country. So for that we have to import that thing. Import means when any country buy some product from a different country, it is called import. It is called import trade. Okay. So let me tell you the object and purpose of the and function of the import trade. First of all, to speed up industrialization. If any developing country wants rapid industrialization, they have to import some machinery, equipment, other things from the other countries to meet consumer demand. If consumer is demanding those products which are not being made in your country, you have to purchase that product from another country. Suppose if any country got the vaccine of corona first, every other country will ask them for their product. Okay. Then to improve standard of living, as we all know that due to the help of import, we can obtain goods which will be manufactured in other countries. So it will help us to improve our standard of living. To overcome famine, drought, earthquake, flood, and any other natural climatic might create famine. During famine, a country import food, grains, and other essential commodities to prevent starvation. To ensure national defense, countries like India import, as I have already mentioned, that defense equipment are being imported by the country. Okay. Then steps involved in import procedure. Steps of import process. First of all, trade inquiry. If you will go into purchase anything from any other country, first of all you will do inquiry. Okay. After that, procurement of import license. After that, they will send you the quotation, and if you are satisfied with the quotation, you will obtain the import license and obtaining IEC number. You have to obtain import license and IEC number. Without that, you cannot do international trade. Okay. Then obtaining foreign exchange, you will have to arrange foreign exchange, because you can't pay another country in your Indian rupees or in your local currency. Then placing of order or indent, you will place the order or indent. After that, obtaining letter of credit, you will obtain the letter of credit from your banker, so that the exporter will send you the goods, and they will be assured that payment will be received to them. Arranging for finance, then you will arrange the finance. Then receipt of shipment advice, you will give the shipment advice that how the product should be reached to you. Then retirement of import documents, you will see the import documents attached. After that, arrival of goods will arrive to you. Then custom clear, you have to clear the custom duty, then your goods will be released. And after the release of goods, you can send these goods to your warehouse. So this is the export procedure, and now this chapter has came to an end. If you find any doubt or any query, you can ask. I will be there to help you out in all your needs. There are many things in this chapter which you have to study by your own. And if you find anything, any problem or any query, you can ask to me. I will help you out in that. Till then, bye bye, students.